So there is three forms of logical impossibilities I'll discuss in this video. First form is circular, like something that dawr. It's called in Arabic dawr. It means circular, like circular reasoning. Like I say, A caused itself. So what is the meaning of A caused itself? It means that A exists and does not exist at the same time. So this defies the law of contradiction. Or I can say that A caused B and B caused A. So this is also a logical impossibility, that A depends on B and B depends on A. So it means that A or B, or it means that A exists and does not exist at the same time, which defies the law of contradiction. Second form of logical impossibility is infinite regression. Is I say that A caused by B and B caused by C and C by D and etc. and to the infinite in the past. So this is a logical fallacy or logical impossibility because it assumes that the chain itself is infinite in the past, but its parts are finite. So it means that the chain itself exists and does not exist at the same time at a point of time in the past. So why infinite regression is impossible? Because I say A caused by B, B caused by C, C caused by D to infinite. Or I say there is a chain of things that are infinite in the past. So it means that the chain itself is infinite in the past, but its parts are not infinite in the past. So this is contradiction. Third impossibility is that something that is contingent means possible, logically possible, and happen without a reason. So let's take this, what it means by contingent. Contingent, we said that there is three categories of rational judgment. The first category is impossible, and the second category is possible, and the third category is necessary or must. So something that is possible, it means that it can exist and cannot exist. It can be true and can be false. Something impossible, it means that it cannot be true. It must be false. Something that is necessary, it means it can't be false. It must be true. So this is like what? Like, for example, 4 is divisible by 2. This is necessary. That 4 is divided by 2 is divisible by 2. So 1 plus 1 equal 2. This is necessary. What is impossible is that 4 is not divisible by 2, for example. This cannot be false. What is possible is that, for example, I will die tomorrow. So this is possible. This can happen and cannot happen. Can be true and can be false. So what is the meaning of something that is possible, that can be true and can be false, but it happened without reason? It means that it can exist by percentage 50% and cannot exist by percentage of 50%. Its probability of happening is 50% and probability of not happening is 50%. And it happened without a cause. So it means that this balance, for example, became like this without a cause. So this is logically impossible. So this is the law of causality. This is the law of causality, that everything that is contingent must have a reason. Not everything in general, everything that is contingent. Everything that is emergent, for example, that it happened, that it was not existent, then it existed, then it must have a reason or must have a cause. Because it being happening without a cause is logically impossible because of the law of contradiction. It means that this scale, for example, or I don't know, this balance is balanced, is equal and not equal at the same time. So this defies the law of contradiction. So these are three forms of logical impossibilities: circular reasoning and infinite regression and causality. I can give also examples for circular reasoning. It's like I say a robot, for example, a robot made a machine and the machine made the robot. So this is logically impossible. For infinite regression is like I say, for example, a soldier killed someone and he took this order from the one who is above him, and the one above him took from the one above him. It must end at a point that someone gives the order and didn't take the order, because if it didn't happen, then he will not kill anyone, It's also like electricity. Like, for example, I say there is extension cord. For example, I say that this lamp have given light without being in electricity, in a source of electricity. It just extension cords to infinite, so it will never give light. Law of causality is also can be like anything that happen without a reason. Like, I fell down without a reason. It cannot be like that. So these are three forms of logical impossibilities, and we will use it to prove that the universe must have a cause, or it will lead to logical impossibility. Thank you.